Now the question is, where are we gonna put this one? I think that was somebody's spot, sorry. He tried to park in there while I was pulling out. Luckily he couldn't get over that, because that's where I was gonna put the tin. Can't put it here, handicap parking. There's some bare grass down there. Otherwise you could set it on the corner by that tree right there. I was thinking along this curb, but maybe for a fire lane we don't want to do that. This tree needs a companion. Well, tree. Hope you enjoy your new next door neighbor. That's where I was. We got him in, we got him out. Well, here's another one. It's not so bad. Got it. There's the hook right there. Been about 3 days. They came and cleared the snow out, so now we can put the dumpsters back in their hole. There they are.